Hi guys, myself Tushar Gupta and I am a 22-year-old passionate engineer with interest in money like you all. So that is why this channel Finance Engineered. Hope you all are doing great. Here on this channel, my sole motive would be to talk about guidance, money, finance, strategy, psychology, mindset, motivation and complicated topics such as wealth. So guys, here on this channel I will make videos in English as well as in Hindi because language is not a barrier for me. So you guys can start asking your queries, suggestions in YouTube comments, DMs, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and I will try to make videos on each and every one of your queries. So guys, before starting this journey, I want to tell you that I might feel a little bit slow in speaking to you. So you might switch this video to 1.5x or 2x according to your convenience. So guys, as money today is as essential for living as water, everyone's requirement. So this channel is for everyone and for every age group. So you all can join us. So there is nothing called as target audience in this channel. Everyone is a target audience because money is required by everyone, and this channel is all about financial literacy. Now guys, in finance sector, your hard-earned capital or money is involved. So you need to be very selective, very careful while choosing whom you need to follow. And you don't get into trap of those so-called finance people who pretend to help you in some or the other ways but end up promoting or selling something really unnecessary for you. And I tell you guys, this is true for 95% of the cases. So you have to take a step forward and choose wisely. And one more thing I want to let you know is that, and I'm not boasting about it, I've tried several investment options in my life till now. You all can say it's my attitude or whatever you call it, but it's my style to work in a way that I have never been in loss till date, irrespective of how small or large the profit is. And guys, one more thing I want to tell you is that this is not a trading platform where you expect me to talk about trading, candlestick patterns, charts, and ultimately give you nothing other than loss in the long term and eventually end up making a fool like a hell out of you. And I'm also not a SEBI registered. So my main motive here on this channel would be to talk about wealth, risk management, future planning, psychology, mindset, etc. And guys, one thing I want to tell you is that in my future videos, I will guide you, I will show you even my portfolio, what resources do I use for my investment planning and more such things. So you all can join me. Guys, the most important of all of them for you is how to train your brain, mindset and psychology, which I'm going to talk about in my further videos, so that you all can live a worry-free life without worrying about money even after your retirement. And guys, one more information, I will post videos from now, Monday and Friday at 5 PM. So you all can turn on your notification bells. So guys, this was all for my first video, and if you have any queries, suggestion, you can ask us in comments and DMs. So stay tuned on this channel for more updates. Thank you guys.